Hey you tech automation, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a foldable phone that's been turning heads, the Huawei Mate X3. Get ready to witness innovation unfold, literally. We're going to explore everything that makes this phone a potential game-changer. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, we'll leave no stone unturned. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. Let's start with the design. The Mate X3 is incredibly thin and light for a foldable. It feels surprisingly comfortable in hand, a major win for daily use. The displays are gorgeous. The external screen is perfect for quick tasks, while the internal folding display offers a truly immersive experience. Colors pop, and everything looks incredibly sharp. Durability is key with foldables, and Huawei seems to have nailed it. The hinge feels robust, and the screen is surprisingly resistant to scratches. This is a foldable you can actually use without constantly worrying. Under the hood, the Mate X3 packs a serious punch. It handles demanding apps and games with ease. Multitasking is a breeze, thanks to the ample RAM. The software experience is smooth and intuitive. Huawei's EMUI has come a long way, offering a clean and customizable interface. You'll find plenty of features tailored for the foldable form factor. App compatibility is generally good. Most apps adapt well to the larger screen, providing a more productive and enjoyable experience. It's a huge step up from earlier foldables. Huawei is known for its impressive camera technology, and the Mate X3 doesn't disappoint. The camera system is versatile and captures stunning photos and videos. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the Mate X3 delivers exceptional results. The images are sharp, detailed, and full of vibrant colors. The zoom capabilities are also impressive. You can zoom in close without sacrificing too much image quality. It's perfect for capturing those distant moments. Battery life is always a concern with smartphones, especially foldables. The Mate X3 manages to deliver surprisingly good battery life. You can easily get through a full day of moderate use. And when you do need to charge, the fast charging capabilities are a lifesaver. You can quickly top up the battery and get back to using your phone. No more waiting around for hours. Wireless charging is also supported, adding another layer of convenience. Just place the phone on a wireless charging pad and let it power up. It's that simple. So, why choose a foldable phone like the Mate X3? The biggest advantage is the versatility. You get the portability of a phone with the screen real estate of a tablet. This makes it perfect for multitasking, watching videos, and browsing the web. You can do more on the go without having to carry around multiple devices. The foldable form factor also opens up new possibilities for creativity and productivity. You can use the larger screen to edit photos, create presentations, and collaborate with others. The Huawei Mate X3 is a truly impressive foldable phone. It combines a sleek design, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. It's a device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Of course, it's not perfect. The price is still a barrier for many, and the software experience may not be for everyone. But overall, the Mate X3 is a fantastic device that offers a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. If you're looking for a foldable phone that's both stylish and powerful, the Huawei Mate X3 is definitely worth considering. It's a device that will turn heads and make you rethink what a smartphone can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.